Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and we are about to do a shark dissection. They have their hands ready to go with their gloves on. They have their dogfish shark and their tools and their worksheets all ready to go. And we're going to follow along to see how this happens in a group setting. Our students are now cutting into the cloaca to open up the internal organs of the coelom. These guys right here are doing a great job opening up the coelom so we can find the organs inside. They're now cutting into the stomach to see what's inside.
I think there's something right there inside the stomach.
This is the pancreas, and it puts enzymes into the intestines.
We're cutting the spiral valve.
So the spiral valve is the intestines that's breaking down the food even more than it already is broken down. Also, it empties indigestible waste into the ocean.
This is the spiral valve, and what it is it saves space and it keeps the food in the intestines longer.
This is the rectal gland, and it allows marine animals to process salt water when they're swimming in it.
These guys are now taking the heart out of the shark.
The blood goes into the atrium and then pushes it down into the muscular ventral, which pumps it into the gills.
Wow, science is so amazing!
Hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless. Bye-bye.